Redemption warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a
2:05 and 2:01.
warning for northeastern Warren County and southwestern Ohio, northern Clinton
Dude, make up your freaking mind. I need to get this done.
southeastern Montgomery County, Greene County, northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from near Cedarville to near West Carrollton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Kettering, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Miamisburg, Springboro, Wilmington, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, West Carrollton, Cedarville, Waynesville, Sabina, Jamestown, West Carrollton City, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, and Corwin. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to